Kajanelo. Kung moadto ka sa Tianjin, China, one of the places nga dili gyud nimo dapat ma-miss kay ang Tianjin Eye. This giant Ferris wheel stands beautifully above the high river and has become one of the most recognizable attractions in the city. Pag-abot nimo didto, makita dayon nimo kung unsa ka impressive ang Tianjin Eye. Dako kaayo siya, and its location above the river makes it truly special. Dili lang siya ordinaryong Ferris wheel. It's an experience where you can relax, enjoy the scenery, and see Tianjin from a different perspective. Once mo sakay na ka sa cabin, hinay-hinay nga mo saka ang wheel while the scenery opens up in front of you. As you go higher, makita nimo ang high river, beautiful bridges, buildings, busy streets, and the combination of Tianjin's traditional and modern architecture. Murag hinay-hinay nimo nga gidiscover ang city from above. At the highest point, you can enjoy a panoramic view of Tianjin. From there, makita nimo kung unsa ka lively ug ka beautiful ang city. Every angle gives you something worth remembering. One of the best times to ride the Tianjin Eye is during the evening. Pag gabi na, the city lights begin to shine and the Ferris wheel becomes even more spectacular. Ang reflection sa mga suga sa high river creates a relaxing and unforgettable atmosphere. Kung mahilig ka mag-picture or mag-video, this is definitely a place nga worth i-capture. Kung kuyog nimo imong family, friends, or someone special, mas enjoyable gyud ang experience. You can sit together, talk, laugh, and enjoy the moment. So, kung naka sa Tianjin, ayaw lang kutob sa pagtanaw sa Tianjin Eye from the ground. Sulay gyud og sakay. Sit back, relax, enjoy the view, and experience Tianjin from above. Come and visit the Tianjin tonight. Ato ning discover ang incredible beauty sa Tianjin after dark. Pag-abot sa gabi, grabe ka blooming ang city. Ang mga skyscrapers nagdanag, ang mga buildings adunay colorful lights, ug ang streets puno sa movement. Murag lahigyod ang Tianjin kung nighttime na. Tan-awa ninyo ang skyline, modern kaayo, pero naagihapon ang touch sa history. Ang combination sa old European-style architecture ug modern high-rise buildings makes Tianjin truly unique. One moment, mura kag naa sa old European city, then suddenly, surrounded na ka sa futuristic skyscrapers. And of course, one of the best places to enjoy the view is along the riverside. Ang mga city lights nagreflect sa tubig, while the illuminated bridges and buildings create a stunning view. Perfect kaayo for photos, videos, ug romantic evening walks. Back sa akong vlog! Karon ato ang i-explore ang mga delicious foods nga makita palibot sa famous Tianjin Eye sa Tianjin, China. After enjoying the beautiful view sa Tianjin Eye, surely gutomon gyud ta, so perfect kaayo ang area para mangita og local food and snacks. Daghan kaayong food choices nga makapahappy sa tiyan, from simple street snacks to traditional Tianjin dishes. One of the must-try foods here is janbing, a popular Chinese savory crepe. Tin siya nga crepe made with batter, then butangan og egg, crispy crackers, sauces, ag different toppings. Init-init pa gyud siya when served, so perfect kaayo as a quick breakfast or snack. Another famous Tianjin food is gobuli baozi, or steamed buns filled with flavorful meat. Soft ang bun, juicy ang feeling, ug very satisfying kaonon. If you love dumplings and steamed buns, definitely worth trying. Makakita pud ta og Tianjin-style fried dough twists, known as mahua. Crispy outside, slightly sweet, and perfect ipares with tea or coffee. For those who love sweet treats, napud daghang pastries and traditional snacks nga colorful ug tempting kayo tan-awon. Of course, while walking around the Tianjin Eye area, ayaw kalimot mag-enjoy sa street atmosphere. Nindot kaayo maglakaw-lakaw while tasting different foods and watching the city lights reflect along the high river. So kung makaadto mo sa Tianjin, China, ayaw lang picture-picture sa Tianjin Eye. Try food ang local foods. Lamina, memorable pagyud ang experience. Hi mga kajanelu, karong nata sa palibot sa famous Tianjin Eye. Dili lang ang beautiful view ug colorful city lights ang makapadani, pero grabe pud ka-enjoy ang mga pagkaon nga makita diri. Kung foodie ka, definitely worth it nga mag-explore sa mga stalls, small restaurants, ug food shops around this area. One of the best things to try is the famous Tianjin-style snacks. Una sa tanan, naa ang jianbingguozi, one of Tianjin's most popular street foods. Murag crispy savory crepe siya nga adunay egg, crispy cracker, sauces, ug green onions. Pag first bite nimo, crunchy outside, soft inside, then flavorful kaayo ang combination. Ganjue, Zhendehenhaoqi. Another must-try is Tianjin baozi. These steamed buns are soft, warm, and filled with juicy meat and flavorful vegetables. When you bite into it, mugawas ang delicious nga juice sa feeling. Wenre yuduoji, Zhendehenxiang. Perfect siya especially kung medyo bugnaw ang weather while enjoying the night scenery. Of course, dili pud mawala ang Tianjin mahua, a traditional twisted fried dough snack. Crispy siya outside but slightly soft and chewy inside with a light sweetness. Simple ra siya tan-awon, pero once makatilaw ka, basin mangita pagyud kag another piece. Around the Tianjin Eye, you can also find grilled skewers, dumplings, noodles, fried snacks, sweet treats, and different Chinese street foods. Ang aroma sa grilled meat nga naglutaw sa hangin, mixed with the smell of freshly cooked noodles and fried snacks, makapag-utom cute. 香味飘在空气中，真的让人忍不住想吃。And while eating, imagine nga naa ka beside the high river, watching the giant Tianjin Eye slowly turning with its colorful lights reflecting on the water. What a perfect combination. Good food, beautiful scenery, and a relaxing evening in Tianjin. Usa sa mga interesting ug colorful nga cities sa China. From modern skyscrapers to old European-style buildings, traditional streets, delicious foods, and beautiful riverside views, Tianjin has a unique character nga lahi gyud sa uban cities. Murag combination siya sa old China ug modern China, and that's what makes this place so fascinating. As we walk around the city, makita nato ang impressive architecture nga nagpakita sa rich history sa Tianjin. Some buildings have European influences with beautiful details and classic designs, while nearby, you can also see modern towers shining brightly against the city skyline. Grabe ka nice tanawon, especially during the late afternoon when the sunlight starts to soften. One of the places nga worth visiting is the Tianjin Eye, the giant Ferris wheel standing above the high river. From the riverside, makita nimo ang wheel nga murag naglutaw ibabaw sa tubig. During nighttime, mas magical siya because the lights start to illuminate the entire area. If you get the chance to ride it, you can enjoy a beautiful panoramic view of Tianjin from above. And of course, dili kompleto ang exploration without trying the local food. Around the city, daghan kaayong food stalls and restaurants offering delicious Chinese dishes. You can find dumplings, noodles, grilled snacks, baozi, and many other local favorites. Ang smell pa lang sa food stalls, makagutom na gyud. Every bite gives you a chance to experience a little part of Tianjin's culture. Another fun part of exploring Tianjin is simply walking around and observing everyday life. Makita nimo ang locals nga busy sa ilang daily activities, families enjoying their evening, tourists taking pictures, and young people hanging out with friends. Simple moments, pero memorable kaayo. As night falls, Tianjin becomes even more beautiful. The buildings light up, the bridges sparkle, and the reflections from the city lights dance across the high river. Nindot kaayo maglakaw-lakaw while enjoying the cool evening atmosphere. It feels peaceful, exciting, and full of life at the same time. For me, exploring Tianjin is not just about visiting famous tourist attractions. It's about experiencing the city, the food, people, architecture, lights, history, and those little moments nga dili nimo malimtan. Every corner seems to have something interesting waiting to be discovered. So mga kajanelu, if you ever have the opportunity to visit China, consider adding Tianjin to your travel list. Dili lang siya beautiful, but it also gives you a wonderful mix of culture, history, modern development, and unforgettable experiences. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this episode. I hope nag-enjoy mo sa atong adventure and sa mga beautiful places and experiences. Daghang salamat sa inyong support. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Once again, thank you for watching and see you again sa next episode, mga ka-Jnalu.